Welcome to my channel Ashok Dwivedi, and today we are gonna show you our garden in Rewa. Show you my first plant. This is a basil plant. We worship this plant and it's used as medicine. Guys, this is 1 year old and I planted it. It gives like 36 flowers per day. This is our chili plant. It's so small compared to the Bangalore one. This is a lemon plant. Very small growing up. Our next plant is guava plant. It's growing up nicely and the next year it will give us fruits. Our next plant is a rose plant. This is giving a lot of flowers. As you can see, it's a very good rose plant. Our next plant is a black basil. We also worship this one and it's also used as medicines. Hibiscus plant. It's a small plant, as you can see. It's growing up nicely.